Good morning.
Good morning.
Red's a little bit flustered.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Look at, just woke up.
Explain what's going on.
I'm a mess. That's what's going on.
Hold on, show it. Yeah, like that.
You're gonna do it. We've been contacted by Channel 7 in Adelaide after they saw Jackson's RSPCA story. They want to do a segment on Jackson, but they're going to do it in the next 2 hours, so we're going to really quickly send a bunch of stuff through. But it's really exciting because we have family and friends back in Adelaide there, so they'll probably all see it. Jackson's more popular than we are. Nobody gives a shit about us. It's all about Jackson. I have to start getting him like a talent agent. And on a side note, say hello. Show me your babies. Do you want to show me?
That shoulder must have been sitting down because the other shoulder's not that bad.
And he goes, I think I got a little burn.
Yeah.
It looks so bad, Ryan.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Oh, Ryan.
Oh, I could feel it this last hour and I'm like, I gotta get back. Hey mate, your dad's red. He's a lobster.
He's tired. We had a good day at the market today. I'm gonna spend the day getting my artwork back up, photograph some of these. Yeah, I'm excited to be back up and running a bit. So this is all hand loomed. When you're going through them, they're not perfect, but it's kind of like that's the charm of it because they are handmade. Aren't they pretty? He's getting ready for his close-up in our photo shoot.
Photo shoot for Brittany's towels.
Oh God!
Double like cousin It.
I need to cut into that. That's horrible that it's still all one length. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
What are you doing up there?
I'm polishing the stainless.
We just woke up, had our coffee, getting ready to go out on the hard, and I'm packing Etsy orders. And then I'm gonna get ready to go to the post office. Ah!
Here at the marina, there's a local fisherman here. There's a bloke that comes with his son. Comes here every afternoon with his son and fishes. It's really cute. They've asked us to put up some fishing nets. Where are they? Here they are. I got a little fishing net down here. He's dropped off some really nice pasta and chicken, but there's some big chilies in there. It's super spicy. Steve's gonna eat a chili.
Steve's not going to eat the chili.
Come on, Steve.
No, I can tell you now, there's no ways I'm touching one of them peppers. It's actually not too bad.
Oh yeah, come on, say that again.
I don't know, it's burning a bit. You've got to take a decent bite, that's it.
Oh, holy crap. Holy shit. Oh, it's not that bad. How do you get it away? Oh, yeah, it's getting bad now.
Good morning, everyone. Look at my mess. Isn't it lovely? It's moving day. There's 2 boat yards here to get your boat hauled out on. One is just here in the marina, but it's a bit more expensive. The other is down at the fishing harbor. We've opted to go there. However, it's not really for living on board, which we did last year in Greece. And to be honest, it wasn't very pleasant anyways. And then also there's a lot of street dogs there. We also heard of a worker who got bit by a stray dog there. Was treated for rabies because the dog was rabid. So it's not really an ideal situation for us or Jackson. So we've got an apartment here in the marina. They're really good for the price that we're paying. They're quite budget friendly. It's also good because we've got not only Jackson, but we have Mama Cat with her 4 babies, and we have the 3 kittens that we rescued a couple weeks before that. I haven't really shown the 3 kittens that we rescued when we first arrived here because they've been a struggle. One of them crashed really bad and almost died. Managed to bring him back, but now they're fighting a lot of infection because of low immunity and blah blah blah. So one of them's really healthy, he's doing really well, but the other 2 I've just really been battling with, but hopefully they get better. I've got them on antibiotics, which hopefully will help. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the keys to our apartment now. It's very bright today.
Okay, so Brittany's taking stuff over to the apartment and I'm just getting all the last minute boat stuff ready. We haven't done any dishes for a few days because we've been cleaning out our water tanks, so the boat's disgusting. So the water tanks are clean, I just got to fill them up now. I've sorted through all this, so this is where I keep all my tools under here. Brittany's migrating the cats now. You're going next, buddy. Basically, we're just cleaning out the boat and just leaving tools and stuff on the boat, so we're going to be taking stuff back and forth all day long. For the same price, essentially, we're lifting out at the Port of Pêche boat yard and getting a hotel room. If we had to lift it out here, we would have just stayed on the boat. You work in a dirty boat yard, which is fine because we're doing dirty work, so it suits me well. And then we can go home at night to a nice clean little hotel room. Alright, we're going to check out this new apartment, let's do it. So we've just walked down from the marina and here's our room.
And there's beautiful Brittany.
Hello, hello.
Hello, mister.
Hey,
I can smell the kittens. Jackson!
Oh man, he's stoked, eh?
What do you think?
Yeah, it's good, eh?
How good is it?
This is massive.
I know, so come upstairs. Bathroom with a bathtub and our bedroom.
Yeah.
We got 2 single beds, which is weird, but look at this.
Let's go, I might get some room. I'll sleep now. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Oh.
That's cool. I'm so excited.
Jackson, you can't drink out of the toilet.
There's the marina. You can actually see our boat over there somewhere. Then you've got Steve and Tracy.
I am Steve.
Next door. Ah, you can't get rid of us. Hey, wait a minute.
Next door to you again.
Hang on a minute, what's going on here?
What, don't you have tables and
So
chairs?
invasive. What is your problem?
Yeah.
We have table and chairs.
I know, happy. Jackson looked so happy when I came just then. You're a happy boy.
Ryan, it's our first night in our apartment.
I'm tired. We spent all day getting the boat ready to haul out tomorrow, and the boatyard guy came at 8 o'clock tonight to tell us that he's not ready for us tomorrow, so we can't lift out tomorrow.
That's alright.
It's not all bad news though, because he was quite good, because we got to pay for another day at the marina and paying obviously a day early at the hotel here, but he said he'll pay for half the hotel. At least he's apologetic.
We were up until 3 a.m. last night trying to get our Sunday video up. The setup currently, we've got Mama and babies in the bathroom, which is a nice upgrade from the boat because she's got lots of room. Little babies in the kitchen. Oh, now these are the guys that aren't feeling too hot. All right, everyone, we're rushing. Today is lift out day. Ryan's already down at the boat. He's taking Jackson for a run around out there as well. Got the key. I'm walking through the back quickly because Ryan's having a hard
So everyone, meet Robin.
Hi.
Alright, don't mind Robin, he hasn't seen sun for 6 months, he's from Norway. So Robin's got his own boat here, a leader. So he's got his own blog here, a leader, sailing a leader. Look it up. Nice. We have to go to the douane, which is customs, fill out a form, go to the Capitanery, get the photocopy it, drop it back to the douane, pay money, go to over here, which is the Coast Guard, give them the form, they stamp it, you fill out another form, and then they allow you to leave. We had to add Robin to the crew list here, just to go 5 minutes motoring to the port, which is funny, eh? Alright, so let's get the cameras out, we'll get the GoPro, we'll do a time lapse, we're going to Port of Pêche.
flight. We're off. We're out. I'm quite enjoying having you here because you're taking all my jobs. We're just eating some oranges.
Yeah, we're gonna pull in, tie up, and then there's a ship that's on its way now being lifted. So I think they're gonna do that, and then they'll lift us after that one.
There's dust coming in behind us. So we're going alongside this guy.
We're on here now, and they were going to put us on one side of the other pirate ship, and they put us on this side, but we got to go in and pay for it, and then they'll lift us out. We're just going to give Steve and Tracy a hand because they're sitting out in the harbour there just floating. So we'll just grab them, they'll tie up on the other side, and then we'll go pay, get it all sorted. Do you want to stay on the boat and take care, make sure no street dogs come and eat all our food?
Yeah.
Hello, Tarek.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Very good, very good.
This is Tarek's boat. He's doing a refit on. So now we literally just got to walk all the way around. Tarek offered to drive us, but so we'll get some exercise. We'll walk around, we'll pay for the lift out, which is 20 dinar per ton, and then we'll come back. I think they're going to put a boat in the water, and after that boat goes in the water, then they're going to put us in the water. I mean, take us out of the water. Then Robin's got to figure out what he's going to do with his boat.
I'll get here tomorrow, getting the tutorial first.
Yeah. You got to be careful here. Like, I'm a little bit annoyed because the yard tells me it's 20 dinar per ton. The boat is 10.5 ton and the tonnage is 15 ton, but they've worked out 21 ton. It's gone from 300 dinar, which is about 150 Aussie dollars, to 522 dinar, which is 260 Aussie dollars. It's a big jump in price. You might sit there and go, yeah, that's so cheap, but you got to forget we still got to pay the actual yard. They're 400 dinars, so that's 200 Aussie dollars. So I mean, it still works out to be a good price. It just annoys me because everything just adds up. It's like always extra money, extra money, extra money, extra money. Well, anyway, you just got to be careful that sort of thing. Yeah, it'll probably happen to Robin tomorrow.
Yeah, I bet.
And especially TIT. This is Tunisia.
This is Tunisia. Alright, so Steve and Trace, we just let them off. Well, yeah. Hey.
You can leave right
We're
now.
just sitting here waiting. It's a bit disorganized here and dysfunctional, so just been hanging out, haven't we?
Yeah, pretty much.
And there's 3 boats floating. So there's this big pirate ship, which is about to take the spot that we just moved out of. Tracy and Steve are just floating over there behind them, waiting to get in. But there's a big ship in the slipway that they're trying to get out. And there's so much plastic and garbage in the water. Steve thinks he pulled something up in his bow thruster, so he'd be stressing right now.
So we're sitting here, it's blowing like 14 knots. Actually, let's have a look. Yeah, 14 knots. And this ship here's got its balance of the wind. Keeps like, see now, the wind's got him, it's pushing him around.
Getting blown around.
But like, I haven't really moved from this spot in the last 20 minutes. I've just been reversing forward and back a little bit. But we just sat here this whole time and he keeps doing big circles. So if you're in a little harbour like this and you're just waiting, just keep your stern into the wind and just float. So now
Steve's got the hang of it, he's bumming now.
Yeah.
There goes Tracy and Steve into the slipway. Poor boat is sitting here still trying to float, and they almost just took out a fishing boat. Now they're charging towards us. Ryan's like a reverse. Alright, so Tracy and Steve, they're in. Now we just have to float here.
So we're sitting right back here now. Get some wind protection from this back wall. Anyway, we're still here. How long's it been, Brittany? We got here about 9:30? No, we got here at 10 o'clock. It's 2 p.m. We still haven't lifted out.
Coming in now. So we're in now. Now we're just waiting for them the travel lift to drop one of these big pirate ships, and then we're going in after that. Ennis is yelling yelling at the guys because they're trying to lift. They're trying to drop that boat in first before us, but we're in the way and we're not moving that thing. Okay.
So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. About 6 hours later, we're here, ready to be lifted up.
Making us move out of here so they can drop this catamaran in. Back out here floating again.
Yeah, what a joke, eh? It's not Anis's fault because there's like 4 yards here, so you know, the yards argue each other who gets to use the travel lift.
We've been waiting here for
6 hours.
6 hours. It's taken a while. Lucky we're pretty easygoing because this would piss a lot of people off. Davits are a bit too close for comfort.
We did well with the keel. There's a little bit of rust there.
Rick would be very
A little
proud
bit
to
there.
see that keel. Rick and Lou, our hard work paid off us for. That keel's looking mighty fine.
Oh man, this is awesome. I'm gonna get you guys have a look at this. This is awesome. So we got a drum, some timber, truck wheel, some more timber. So at the bow thruster tunnel, I knew I didn't do a good job last time. So I've got to definitely got to do the bow thruster tunnel better this time.
Now the game of Jenga begins. Look at the guys behind us trying to slam in as many pieces of random wood as you can get. Are you nice? Can I pet you?
Hey mate.
Oh, nice baby. Hi.
Anis, you good?
Hello.